Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Airbnb how to reset password. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Airbnb app, and once you're inside there, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is you'll be seeing your account settings. Now under it, you'll be seeing option that says login and security. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside login and security, you'll find an option that says password under login. Now beside that, you'll be seeing an option that says update. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on update here, you'll be seeing the option to change your password. Now if you remember your old password, then simply type in your old password and then enter in the new password that you want to change. But if you don't remember the password, then what you need to do is tap on need a new password. And once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing this forget to enter your password. Now all you gotta do is enter in the link that you have access to, and then enter in the email that you have access to, and then all you gotta do is send reset link. And all you gotta do now is head over to your app, your mail app, and then open up the reset link sent by the Airbnb. And once you open it, all you gotta do is click on the link, then you'll be sent to the reset password page. Simply enter in the new password, and that's basically how to reset your password. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.